Hi guys, I'm here to share my 5 top secrets when it comes to juicing. These tips have completely helped and I believe it can absolutely help you. I continue to use them. They're my 5 top secrets and I guarantee you that if you use these secrets, you're gonna find juicing so much more fun, so much easier. So I hope you use them and I hope you can share them with your friends. Number 1, if you want to clean your organic produce before juicing, you can either use Himalayan salt or even sea salt and let it soak with water for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's going to make sure that all your produce are very clean without no pesticides, no chemicals or anything like that. Secret number 2, you can actually store your juice in the fridge in a vacuum sealed airtight jar for up to 2 days. So what does that mean? You're gonna save a lot of time when it comes to juicing. Secret number 3, if you want to add protein to your juice, you can actually get the juice that you just made, add it to the blender, add some protein to it, add some berries, and you're good to go. Secret number 4, do not throw away your pulp. You can do so many things with your pulp. 1, you can add it to your smoothies and you're gonna get extra fiber. Number 2, you can even create an omelet with your pulp, making it with fresh eggs, veggies, and add the pulp to it, and they come out delicious. Secret number 5, you don't need to add so many fruits to your juice to make it sweet. All you need is to add an apple to all your veggies and it will completely give you a sweet, healthy juice. Hey guys, keep subscribing to my channel. I'm going to continue giving out secrets, tips, things that are going to be so useful for your juicing journey. I'm here to help.